Hello there, Gemini sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. So this reading is for the month of December. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini, hindi lahat ng Gemini maka-resonate sa reading na to. So takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Gemini sign. So put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Gemini, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placements, your Sun, your Moon, your Rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng doon kayong naka-resonate at hindi dito. Gemini, if hindi talaga kayo naka-resonate at all at naguguluhan kayo sa reading, might be this is not for you. Okay? So, Gemini, your future self reading, love reading edition. So let's see situation nyo right now, Gemini. Your situation right now. Lost, ghosted, blocked, cut off, Gemini. So remember, cross watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi si Gemini, okay? Pwedeng kayo na ghost ni Gemini. Okay? Pero pwede din tong si Gemini. Exactly. So, let's see. Somebody cut you off, Gemini. Somebody ghosted you. Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Madami. Okay. Gemini. I think, Gemini, may idea ka din kung bakit kanya ginost. I think alam mo yung mga nangyayari, kung bakit nangyari to sa'yo, bakit ginawa niya to sa'yo. What are you like right now? You are like right now, parang you still want a communication, new beginning from this person. Ngayon, Gemini, this ghosting card. This person really ghosted you. Hindi madali sa'yo ngayon. Medyo challenging to sa'yo kasi madami kang kumbaga tanong. Pero I think may idea na sa'yo kung bakit. Yung iniisip mo talaga dito na might be he is with someone else or with an ex ba or with that. Might be ganon talaga yung nasa idea mo dito. You are really trying to move forward. Parang you have no choice. Kailangan kong umalis. Hindi ko man to gusto, pero parang I think kailangan ko nang gawin to. Kasi wala na cold na And parang empty na yung communication ninyo. Ninyong dalawa. Parang iniisip mo ngayon is parang siguro may mahal siyang iba. So, hindi ko nararamdaman dito, Gemini, yung may marami kayong pinagdaanan ng persona. Siguro, new relationship to. Kasi parang para sa'yo, hindi naman siya madali. Hindi sobra. Masakit, pero parang para sa'yo, natatanggap mo siya agad Parang para sa'yo dito is, kailangan ko na mag-move forward. Kailangan ko na ng new beginning ng buhay ko. Hindi ako pwede na mag-stay lang dito at mag-aantay sa kanya. Pero challenging pa din to na nangyayari. So, ang future self, what is your future self like? I think merong someone will come or might be or might be someone new will come into your life in the future. Someone seryoso sa'yo. Yeah. So, someone na saan pwedeng mag-focus siya talaga sa relationship ninyo. Might be LDR to. Mag-uumpisa kayo sa LDR. And someone na magiging seryoso yung relasyon. And someone na who going to give you relief. Let you feel the love and completeness pagdating sa relationship. So, someone that you're going to like this person. Even in sa appearance siguro would be. May darating sa'yo in the future na ganito. What is your situation right now? Naiipit ka sa sitwasyon. Sabi ko nga, diba, challenging din to. Kahit may idea ka na bakit kanya ginos, pero para sa'yo, parang baka sakali lang babalik siya. Baka sakali na magpaparamdam siya ulit. Baka sakali na nagkamali siya sa desisyon niya at babalik siya sa akin ulit. Kaya medyo naiipit ka pa sa mga desisyon mo dito ngayon. Parang trap ka pa into moving forward na ba ako and never look back from this, or mag-stay pa ako na baka babalik pa siya. So, nasa point ka ngayon. Kasi I think this person already blocked you, cut you off, nawala na siya, ghosted you. Wala ka ng idea nung nangyayari sa kanya. Ang meron ka lang idea na dahil siguro may iba siya. Pero nag-iisip ka pa din na baka sakali na magbabago yung isip niya. So, what you need to spend less time on so that you can evolve as a person. I think you need to spend less time on thinking na parang siguro about sa promise ng person na to. This is what you need to spend less time on. How these persons offer you love or commitment. Kasi hindi naman mangyayari yun eh. Hindi siya talaga mangyayari. Kaya ngayon, nag-ghost ka na nga eh. So, di ba sabi ko dito, medyo doubt ka. Baka may pag-asa pa na babalik siya. Because of that, siguro dun ka nag-hold on na baka babalik siya and tuparin niya yung pangako niya. So, you need to spend less time on thinking about that. Na mahal ka niya, na baka mahal niya talaga ako at ma-realize niya din yung worth ko, ma-realize niya din yung mahal ko. Kasi niloko ka nito at wala akong nagkitang new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Hindi ka nag-iisa even the time na may relationship kayong dalawa. So, meron din siya ibang karelasyon. And I don't know if may clarity to sa'yo. And I don't know if nung nalaman niya kaya kanya ginos. I mean, nalaman mo, siguro kinonfront mo sa kanya, kaya kanya ginos. Kaya siguro parang may nakikita ko sa'yo dito na may idea ka kung bakit nangyari yun. So, but then you still, meron pa rin feeling sa'yo dito, Gemini, na baka ako yung pipiliin niya, baka magsisi siya, baka babalik siya, baka mahal niya talaga ako, baka ma-realize niya, hindi siya makakatulog sa kakaisip sa akin, mga ganung mga bagay. But you need to spend less time on that. But instead of, you need to spend more time in evolving yourself, rebuilding yourself, moving forward, moving on, and be the Empress card, like someone who is bringing back her power, and someone have this confident na mas deserve ko yung someone na ipaprioritize ako at mahal ako. Hindi ko kailangan maghintay sa person na to. Parang ganun. So, Gemini, you need to spend more time on making decision in moving forward talaga. Kasi feeling ko, part of you, medyo wala pa talaga. Kaya nga naiipit ka dito eh. Medyo wala pa talagang total decision in what really to do dahil umaasa ka pa na babalik siya kahit siguro alam mo na kung anong nangyari. Makaasa ka pa na one day magkakaroon ng great changes at babalik siya. So, but then you don't have to think about that, but think about yourself this time. Kasi bakit siguro sinasabi nito ng card na kailangan mong i-rebuild yung sarili mo this time, loving yourself more, learning from your lessons or whatever it is. Dahil sa, if yun yung gagawin mo, might be one day, either siya yung babalik dito at ma-realize niya yung worth mo, or merong mas hihigit pa na darating sa'yo in the future. So, Gemini, what you should remember to do so you can evolve yourself up in the future. Tama ba ako? What you should remember to do so you can set yourself up in the future. You should remember that kailangan mo din na maging masaya. Kailangan mo mag-heal. And kailangan mo din na one day deserve mo din yung maging priority and maging happy and fulfilled pagdating sa love life mo. So, parang ito yung sinasabi ng card that you should remember this. Deserve mo yung someone na magmamahal sa'yo. Sa kung ano mang ugali ang meron ka, sa kung ano mang mga flows na meron ka, deserve mong maging masaya at mamahalin ng totoo. Gemini. So, what you need to let go of to become the best version of yourself, you need to let go of the memories. You need to let go of that. Kasi parang feeling ko namimiss mo yung person na to. Mahal mo pala kasi talaga to. Kahit may idea ka na about what he did. Kasi mahal mo. See? Nako-confuse ka pa. Nako-confuse ka pa rin eh. Though you are really trying, pero feeling ko sa mga sa short relationship na meron kayo, etong person na to, naramdaman mo din talaga yung parang yung pagmamahal na binigay niya sa'yo is really like, hindi ka makapaniwala na ginose ka niya ng ganun. Parang ganun. Parang hindi mo akalain na basta iwan ka lang niya ng ganun. Dahil sa hindi na yung pinaramdam niya sa'yo talaga is parang may pag-asa yung relasyon ninyo in the future. Might be may mga pangako siya sa'yo, pakasalan ka or anything like that, as he said earlier, could be. So, very challenging talaga to sa'yo dahil sa medyo magbabalik tanaw ka talaga sa mga memories ninyong dalawa. And lalo na ngayong Mercury retrograde, flashback memories ang meron talaga dito. So, you need to let go of this and to move forward na. Heal and move forward. Because, what does your future self want to give you credit for? Kasi ang darating sa'yo in the future is someone, the one na could be for you. This is the Lover's card. Someone na totoong pagmamahal na, someone that is really meant for you ang darating sa'yo. Siguro feeling ko itong nangyayari sa'yo ngayon is parang preparation sa darating na the one for you. Masaktan ka, mag-move on ka, learn from your lessons, and one day, darating to sa'yo at ibibigay to sa'yo ng universe, ni God. Okay, so, what do you have the potential to accomplish? I think, you have that potential to accomplish because you are a strong person, Gemini. Even if merong pain sa sarili mo or sa heart mo about what happened, about what this person did to you is very parang unfair. Pero you are brave and strong. In the future, you might be strongly cutting this off without any doubt because you will going to choose yourself this time. And that is the potential. Yun yung potential mo to accomplish in the future. And hindi naman talaga madali yung pag-move forward. Pero feeling ko on your part, Gemini, dito sa reading na to, makasurvive ka talaga dito. Kasi hindi ko ramdam yung long term sa inyong dalawa ng person na to. Doon na in love ka talaga sa kanya, yes. Pero hindi ko ramdam yung parang long term relationship na meron sa'yo. So, one day may dadating at may dadating din talaga sa'yo. Kumbaga itong ending na to, magbe-bring to sa'yo ng new beginning, and may darating na kabaligtaran ng kung anong naranasan mo sa person na to. And it's more great and better. This is really a new beginning. Somebody will going to offer you victory in life, love. So, might be Capricorn will come in your life, or Aquarius could be. So, Gemini, I'm going to pull an oracle card. Love message for you, Gemini. Soulmates. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this, they can believe this, and they will manifest physically. This is what I am telling you. 'Di ba? Nasabi ko, itong mga nangyayari sa iyo ngayong ghosting, itong mga nangyayari sa is preparation to for someone to come, na someone is really meant for you. And as nakita mo yung oracle card says that yung soulmate mo na pala ang darating sa'yo in the future, Gemini. So, Gemini, hindi pa to ang soulmate ha. Ito ay yung nang-ghost sa'yo. You might be dealing with the same Gemini or Pisces sign, Taurus sign, prone yan sila sa mga ghosting part. So, Aquarius could be Capricorn, Scorpio, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, Gemini, that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.